Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I am sure, my friend, your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone without losing any data. And if my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. Okay. And you can also take help by older videos. And if your phone unlocked with the help of these videos, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the further these type of technical videos. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. So as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network is showing in my phone. So firstly, you will have to simply close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So firstly, you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and when you will just a minute, you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get an option of just a minute, my friend. You will have to activate your phone's Wi-Fi, your phone's airplane mode to close all the telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode or flight mode. So firstly, you will have to activate your phone's flight mode. Okay. So firstly, you can see here there is an option of a flight mode. So simply you will have to activate your flight mode. Now you can see here my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been closed. Now my phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, there is also one thing you will have to do with your phone. You will have to close all the background running application. When your phone was not locked, maybe some application will be running in your phone's background. So firstly, you will have to close all the background running application. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close the background running application when your phone is not locked. So simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will get an option of an emergency SOS or emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. Now after this, you will have to activate your phone's dialing pad. Now you will have to feed this secret code, and this secret code is known as all background running closing application. Okay, so this secret code is star hash 000, then star 999, sorry, then star 856, then hash. This is the secret code which is used to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously like this, and you will also get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this with the OK button. Now the 3 times of this process has been done. It means my background running application, all the background running application are now closed. Now my phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. So after this, you will have to simply clear this secret code completely. Now I am going to give you a code which is used to go to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see after feeding this secret code, I have reached to a new page and I have got a lots of options on my phone's display. You can see here, but all the options have their specific functions. But in this video, I will only give you a technique to unlock your smartphone, any Android smartphone. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Now you will have to go with this option, And when you will click on this software version, you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here. Now you can see here at the second number, the option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12, Android version 11. Okay, so if your Android version is showing here 11, it means you will have to click on this option 11 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this option 13 times continuously, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. After this you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version, and the option is, you can see here, and the option is manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is assembly test projects, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. After this, you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others. Now you can see at the end of this page, other option has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here. Now at the 4th number, you can see here there is an option of a mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version. Okay, but both the options have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After this, you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times continuously: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test at the second number. Now after this, you will have to go with this option, read write important log test, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option. But at the first time, you don't have to confirm this, you will have to cancel this option, and again at the second time you will have to do the cancel, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this option, and at the 4th time you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will give this option to the OK button, now it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. So watch this video properly, otherwise you will have to watch this video again, and every step is most important to unlock your any Android smartphone. Okay, now you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here at the 6th number there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. Now you will have to go with this option, sensor self test and calibration option. You will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, now you can see here there are 3 type of options showing on my phone's display. It means all the options are showing here operation not started. Okay, now simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option, but when you will click on this option, all the option will be started, but you will have to continue clicking on all these 3 options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now you can see here I am going to click on all those options. Test has been started but test failed. Second option, test has been started and failed. Third option, but the third option you can see here, test passed. It means a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now my phone is unlocked completely. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Now I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I am going to click on this option. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really work. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then watch the next upcoming videos for the further next new security code to unlock your smartphone. So see you in the next video with the next security code. Thank you so much.